On video today, we continue talking about one of the homework I shared you on the Discord channel before, and you can see right over here. Here is the assignments from the Discord channels I share you on the relearn section right over here. And I already get many submits from the trader for the assignments right over here. Almost trader already submits the homework and defines the market structure right over here. Here is like extra part for the member who already learned from the Udemy course to practice after the course and gain more the knowledge after learning to come into the live markets more confidence. And today I will give you my judgment about the market structure right over here, because here is a hot market structure. If you can define the market structure right over here well, it means that you can be very confident to analyze on the markets and come into the live trading with a strong cornerstone about the market structure. So first of all, you can see right over here, here is one of the questions from the Udemy members. I take it as the assignments for the trader to practice and explain about it. First of all, you can see right over here, the trader sent me and he analyzed the market structure like this. You can see right over here, and he defines market structure like this. And on our community, almost member defines the market structure look like this. It means that we are having a difference right over here just about the pullback right over here, whether the pullback right over here is a valid case or not. I will help you to confirm on this video to help you have a more experience about the market structure right over here. So we will analyze the market structure. For example, we having the just right over here from this lowest low right over here until the latest price level right over here. So we will analyze the market structure within the way right over here, because we only have the just like this. So I will guide you to analyze the market structure right over here like this. So first of all, we have to analyze the first pull way of the market, as I already shared you on the Udemy or on the YouTube channels, how to define the first pull way of the market. You have to look for some of the candles very strongly, like series of the marble candle like this, to define the first pull way of the markets. Because you can see right over here, here is a market structure, right? A valid market structure. We have to define the first pull ways. Here is the first pull way. We have to make sure the first pull way is really strong to show you the momentum, to show you the current power from the markets. And therefore, I want to see series of the marble candle like this. And for this one, we can understand that here is the first pull way, as we explained before. And after analyze the first pull way of the markets, the second thing we have to looking for right over here, that is a valid pullback. Because you can see here, after the first pull way, we look for the pullback right over here, because the lowest low of the pullback in case of the uptrend right over here will be the key level, and this key level has a function to define the trend of the markets. If the market is still running above the key level right over here, it means that the uptrend is still continue, and in case the market is broken the key level right over here, it means that trends will change into the downside. Therefore, this time analyze the valid pullback right over here is very important for a trader. Therefore, at this time we apply the same rules for the breakout and pullback always. At this time, we have to see a strong power from the pullback right over here. And the strong power can be shown by the bright pattern very easily by the two marble candles like this, right? Here is our standard two marble candle or a big marble candle with a small doji or pin bar. And for this case, you can see right over here, the first time markets pullback right over here, we can see a very big marble candle right over here. But after the big marble candle right here, we can see that the market show you a big pin bar candle also. So I will explain to you the reason why here is a valid pullback. You can see that we having a pin bar candle like this, right? And what is the current story inside the pin bar candle right over here? I will simulate right over here to help you understand about it easily. We having 4 price level right over here, highest, lowest. Here is the open price and here is the close price. And when the markets open this candle, you can see the markets will run like this. is going up a little bit, and then the market will going down very strongly until the lowest low right over here, and at the last time of the candle, the markets will go up a little bit right over here. It means that inside the candle right over here, what we can see is the markets having the very strong selling pressure right over here, and the markets also show you the buying pressure in these candles. And the reason why, as our standards, we don't accept a big pin bar candle like this, just because the real power right over here, the big power forms the buying pressure right over here. Therefore, at this time, if the market can absorb all the buying pressure right over here to show you that inside of the candle right over here only having this selling pressure, at this time you can confirm this candle is a strong candle, and you can judge the power after the marble candles, right? And at this time I will zoom in a little bit right over here. You can see that we are having a big pin bar candle right over here, but you can see series of the down candle like this, and these down candle already show you that the market really absorb buying pressure right over here. Therefore, at this time, even here is a big pin bar candles, but at this time, after the pin bar candles have no any the buying pressure right over here because the market is absorbed completely. Therefore, we can see a very strong selling pressure by the marble candle right over here, and a very strong power from the pin bar candle and series of down candles after that. Therefore, totally here is a strong down movement from the market, and we can confirm that here is a valid pullback from the market, right? You can marking that here is a valid case from the pullback, but if you cannot explain 100% about the candle by candle in this case, it means that you still not understand the real story behind the movement right over here. Your knowledge still not come into the highest level of the market structure. It means that you need to master the price action, you need to master and understand the real story behind the movement right over here to define the market structure exactly, because pattern standards only can help you to explain around 80% of the case on the markets. For the hard case of the markets, it means that patterns cannot cover those cases. You still need to judge a single candle like this to understand the real power inside of the movement, to judge whether that is a valid pullback or the valid breakout from the markets like this case. Therefore, at this time, we will have the market structure will be like this. We have the first pull way and the first pullback way right over here, and one more thing right over here until the candles we having here is a valid pullback from the markets, but after that the market is going up and going down, gray range like this. We don't care something right over here, as I always explain to you on the course, but we still need to care the lowest low right over here to draw the key level exactly. Therefore, this time we have to drag the pullback line from the highest right over here until the lowest right over here like this, and the first pull weight like this. And at this time we have the recent high right here, trader marking the recent high quite exactly. And at this time you can see here markets break out the recent high very strongly with a very strong up marble candles, followed by a small doji candle right here. I will zoom in a little bit. Here is small doji candles, because compare this candle with the marble candle right over here, this candle is very strong, very small. Therefore, we can confirm here is a small doji candle and here is a big marble candles. That is our standard. It is a valid case for the breakout. Therefore, this time we can marking a second pull wave of the markets will be like this. And at this time, what we can see, we have the key level of the markets will be like this. Here is the key level that we can see easily at this time, right? And one more thing right over here, some traders think here is a valid K or not. But at this time, you can see right over here, we have a gaps by the candle right over here. You can see that. I will zoom in a little bit. The market, this candle closed right over here, but this candle opened right over here. It means that we have a down move right over here. like this, and here is a gap from the market. For the gap K right over here, it is quite complicated to explain right over here about the neck movement. Therefore, at this time, you can see that we also have a bean bar candle like this right here, and then the second candles right here close within the bean bar candle. Therefore, we have a range right here like this, and here a range from the markets, right? And then the markets create a gaps going out of the range right over here. I will marking the different color like this. Here is a gaps, and then the markets going higher than the gaps and then come back into the gaps again, into the range again, right? Therefore, at this time, I can confirm that we have a range right over here, the range, the original range right here, and the markets continue expanding the range bigger and bigger like this, and bigger on the upside. Therefore, totally here is a range from the markets, right? Here is a very strong range from the markets. You can see that the markets going up and down inside of the range very strongly when you explain the range right over here. Therefore, at this time, I can make sure that here is a range and this one is not a valid K from the market. I will draw again the range. The final range will be like this, right? And then the markets break out the range right over here with the two Marubozu candle very strongly. Therefore, at this time, we can marking the pull sway like this. Come to over here, and here is the final market structure I can share you right over here. And for this case, the market is respecting the recent high right over here. The markets come and retest the recent high and go up again. If you analyze the market structure on lower time frame, maybe you can see the story of the markets will be like this. It's more suitable on lower time frame. Here is a 1 hour time frame, right? Therefore, this movement maybe is a valid case on the 50 minutes time frame, right? Not on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we only can see a story like this because here is a range from the markets, the original range like this, and then the markets going down and going up and down and up until here. Therefore, here is a very strongly range from the markets. We cannot use this. On this video, I will explain for you the reason why we don't use the range for trading on the markets, right? Because first of all, you have to understand the real power behind the key level right over here. Here is a turning point from the market, because when the market is going higher and higher and higher, here is the power inside of the move, and then the market is going down and then going down and going down strongly right here, and then the buyer try to join in the markets to keep the chance continue in the uptrend because they want to take profits higher and higher and higher on the future. They don't want to take profits at the low place right over here, right? Therefore, at this time, they will come into the market to push the markets continue going higher with stronger power. Therefore, at the lowest low of the pullback right over here, we focused a lot of the buyer try to push the markets higher and higher. Therefore, the turning point and the power right here is very strong. But on the range, what is story inside of the range? For example, we having a range like this, right? A range is same as a box. The market is going up and down, up and down, up and down. The real story within the range right over here, the markets have no any decision for the next movement because the buyer and the sellers, they are equal together. The buyer is not stronger than seller, and seller is not stronger than buyer at this time. The power is just equal, and then the markets going in flat K like this, have no any decisions and have no any benchmark to focus and buy from the case like this. And sometimes you can see that the market is respecting a range like this on the markets. For example, we have a range right here and the market is respecting the range. What is the reason why? I can list some of the reason right over here. First of all, the range right over here having the institutional candle inside. It means that the range can be used as a PY zone on the markets for this case because they have the institutional candles right over here. So we can define the PY zone right over here right? Then when the markets come back, the market is respecting the PY zone and then going up again immediately, because the range belongs to smart money concept after that, right? And the second case, right over here, that is a random case from the market. The market just come into the range and then going up. We cannot use this because almost the time the markets will try to break out the range right here and then going up. Many case like this because the power inside the range is not clearly 100%. Therefore, if you want to use the range, it's a very risk. And as a trader, I don't want to use an entry on the risk case like this. I just want to focus on the case give me the highest consistency from the markets, because I want to trade for living. I don't want to trade and lose money, earn money on today and lose money on tomorrow. I cannot trade for living with that trading style. I want to make my consistency in highest level. Therefore, I will focus on some of the very consistency plays like the key level and like the PY zone. Here is two cases I always want to focus, and I will guide you focus on the plays only, right? And I hope the video today is useful and clearly for you. Thank you.